What's up, everybody? Early morning times here in South Florida. Got my gloves on. We're in the garden. I'm going to show you one of the coolest product brands that I've ever used for gardening, and that's called Vivosun. This whole video is dedicated to the brand, and I just want to shout out the products and show them in use in my garden. Alright, now strap up your boots, gather your belongings, and let's embark. Alrighty, Storm, what's first on the list? Oh, you want to talk about the grow bags? Alright, we're going to talk about the Vivosun grow bags, and these things are incredible. They look like this. Just a simple bag. Now, don't let their simple design mislead you, because these grow bags allow the roots to breathe. They allow for easy transportation of your container garden, and they allow oxygen and nitrogen and hydrogen and all the other plant foods that you use to easily permeate the fabric, which allows the plant superior growth, unlike never before. Back in the day when you were doing a container garden, you were just putting it in pots. But these are evolved, these are amazing. I really want you to go check them out. Storm loves them, I love them. We're gonna show you what they look like when they're planted in. I grew up gardening, grew up on a farm, and really still obsessed with plants. It's one of my main passions and one of my main hobbies outside of the tattooing, outside of the yard, outside of the juggling, outside of the cats, outside of whatever else I do. So I really like to put on the brands that I like to use, and I just won't buy any other brand anymore. They sell little accessories like this with the little logo on it. Yeah, they sell little stuff like this. They literally make their own everything for gardening. This is my little sprayer right here. Storm loves it. Really awesome. It's a little pump action sprayer, a little mister. I like to use distilled water in this and condition the leaves and spray the carnivorous variety. They also have the big one. This Vivosun sprayer is like the Cadillac of sprayers for your garden. Now for this big one, I just use regular water or rainwater, and this is what I use to drench the roots with and just keep that one nice and clean. I have another sprayer that I use to put all my plant food in, so I keep the Vivosuns really nice and clean because they're so dang good looking. I can't believe this cat is just encroaching on my video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I have way more gardening to do, and I have way more videos to make about this stuff. I just want to give a huge thank you to Vivosun, the brand, because you have upped my gardening game. Thank you for doing what you do. Thank you for producing for what you produce. And hey, they're not paying me or telling me to say this. I'm just coming out and saying I really love this company. Thank you for watching the videos, guys. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for some more delicioso content, and have an excellent day. Peace.